Planning a trip to Siquijor from Cebu? Stick around because I'm about to reveal a direct and budget-friendly route that no one tells you. Hey travel fam, my name is Khris, and if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more family travel adventures. Our journey began at Banji Homestay in Bancogon, Oslob, Cebu. Instead of the usual bus ride, we scored a private van for just 500 pesos. The ride was smooth and before we knew it, we arrived at Liloan Port, Santander.
Mamaya po po.
We'll wait here as we chose the direct travel from Cebu to Siquijor, which is Maayo Shipping Lines Liloan to Larena route at 2 a.m. Travel time will be 4 hours, and ticket selling will start at 12 a.m. No advance booking. Here's their schedule. There are several ways to get to Siquijor from Cebu, each with its pros and cons, so let's explore other options. Other options from here is Maayo Shipping Lines Liloan to Cebulan. Here's their schedule. And then ride the bus to Dumaguete and Dumaguete Port to Siquijor Port. Here's their schedule. Or you may ride the bus from South Cebu Bus Terminal to Siquijor. Next is the popular option from Cebu City, which is Ocean Jets that operates daily to Siquijor via Tagbilaran, Bohol. This journey takes approximately 4 hours and 20 minutes with a brief stopover in Bohol. Here's the comfy and budget-friendly direct ferry route from Cebu City to Larena Siquijor by Light Shipping. Here's their rate and schedule. It's 12 a.m. now, so let's buy the ticket and pay the terminal fee here. And it's boarding time.
Check mag-count pa ka, Larena. Lima ni Fer.
Sige ma'am. Ganun ma'am.
If you have luggage, this will be the storage. And here's how it looks. So yan, mga upuan lang talaga siya. And 4 hours in travel time, so it's manageable. It's a Roro, so there's a vehicles also for this ferry. So if you have a car, it's the best option. Now let's dive into some practical tips to make your journey comfortable and smoother. First, book in advance. Especially during peak seasons, it's advisable to book your ferry tickets ahead of time to secure your preferred schedule and to avoid sold-out trips. Second, arrive early at the port at least 2 hours before departure to ensure a hassle-free boarding process. Third, also consider your local transportation. If you have a car or if you already rented a tricycle or motorbike to use in going to your accommodation in Siquijor. Fourth, and the most important for me, is time. You should check all transportation schedules, compare it with your itinerary and your accommodation check-in time frame, and also the transportation within Siquijor. And of course, don't forget to check the weather forecast because seas can get rough during rainy seasons and may have cancellation updates. After a smooth ferry ride, we arrive at Larena Port, and from there we haggle from a tuk-tuk rider to brought us to our accommodation in Siquijor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and watch our Cebu and Siquijor adventure. I'd love to hear from you, share your experiences, or ask your questions in the comments below. That's wrap up our Cebu to Siquijor journey.